Hey YouTube. Okay, so I'm over here at Publix. This is my first delivery for today, and I'm on my first delivery. It's an Instacart, and it's a $34 delivery, and it's only like, I think it's 15 items. I don't know my way around this store, but it's not that many items. And I'm hoping they have these gingerbread cookies that are on the list. But they have other nice stuff that everything's catching my eye. Okay, so they didn't have the fresh baked gingerbread cookies, but they had those. Luckily, the list is showing me the aisles that everything is on. That's cool, with the shaved chocolate on top, the roll of chocolate. All right, so I only have like 2 items left. Okay, so it's 10:24 a.m. and I got my stuff. So I'm gonna check out. All right, so that was pretty fast. Yeah, they were super nice. I'm gonna head to the highway and then drop this off. So actually, I just looked at the miles on this and I decided I'm gonna go ahead and get gas first. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit of gas. I'm gonna get an iced coffee and then I'll get on the highway right there because I don't know what's gonna happen on the road. I guess I'll be delivering that at like 11:20 a.m. Alright, so I'm what I call cross the water. And so what that means is I am in Newport News, Virginia. I just dropped that off later in the day and it's been pouring down raining, and I just accepted a Kickback Jack's delivery. Alright, so I got their bag and I'm gonna get on out of here. The weather is terrible. Alright, so I just dropped that off successfully and I'm waiting to see what else pops up. I'm gonna try to do ones that are above $10, but I never know like what it's gonna be. Since it's raining, I want to do DoorDash instead of Instacart, so I just accepted a good $19 DoorDash. From a place called Thai Basil, and I don't think I've ever been here. If I've been there, I don't even remember. Okay, so I know you probably can't even see it, but that's Thai Basil. It's right here to my right, next left of the pharmacy. This is Thai Basil. Looks nice. Nice flowers out here. It looks like there's a lot of people in here. I'm not sure. Okay, so it definitely seems like a nice restaurant. They have something on the menu called red curry, and I think it said green curry. I've never actually tried that before. I've had yellow curry. So it's raining like crazy, and I just got their order, and this is how they gave me the drinks. Really cool cup holders. So yeah, I'm gonna head out now. It's just pouring down raining. Okay, so I just dropped that off, and I'm not even sure how much money I made at all, like altogether. Later in the day, and now I'm at Food Lion, and I was able to get the $44 delivery. Over 100 for the day, so that definitely helped. Hold on. That definitely helped because it was looking real slow. I'm hoping it's 7 o'clock now, so I'm hoping I can be done by like 9 o'clock because I'm not sure how far they live, but I know it's a little bit of miles on here. Okay, so I'm making good progress. Okay, so I'm going to get my last item right now. Let me check the time. Okay, so it's 8:09 p.m. and I'm just grabbing the sour cream that I forgot. And then this is the whole cart. I'll just show the other side. To show y'all, so this is the cart backed up and I'm just loading it up now, and I was just trying to keep up with the time. The rain has stopped, which is good, but it's super windy, so I'm just gonna hurry up. Okay, so I just dropped that off and it is 8:50 p.m. and that quickly, in the area that I just dropped that off in, I'm at another Food Lion and I just got a $19 delivery. It looked like it was only 10 items, but I accepted it as soon as I was dropping off the delivery so fast that normally I can catch a screenshot of it, but I don't even think I caught the screenshot, but I'm certain that it said it was $19. It's 8:51, so hopefully I can do this by 9:30. Okay, so it is 9:03 p.m. making fantastic time. So definitely keeping up with a 9:30. Okay, so I'm heading out of the Food Lion parking lot and it says I should be dropping it off at 9:15 p.m. so that's great. It might actually leave me enough time to get another delivery if there's any deliveries left. Okay, so I just dropped that off and I double checked what have I made today, and it says that I made $126.78. Okay, so I just dropped that off and I just checked, I did the math, I added up my DoorDash and Instacart and I made $126.78, which isn't bad. And with it being 9:17 p.m., I figured I had time to do like maybe 1 or 2 more deliveries, but it started raining again, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But if this was my last one for today, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my vlog. This one was a little bit all over the place because it's just unpredictable. So at first I didn't know if I was gonna do Instacart only, then I ended up with DoorDash. Then it started raining, so then I was canceling orders because I realized it wasn't worth the risk. So right now, 126, I'm happy with that. I was trying for 200, maybe something good will pop up, but there's always tomorrow. So I'll be back with another one. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.